So you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine.
An officer was investigating a fatal motorcycle accident with emergency lights activated, and the road was shut down from both directions. Accident investigators notified dispatch of a vehicle which disregarded all marked units and drove through the accident scene, almost striking officers and record drivers at the crash site. The officer observed the vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed and cut through an Exxon service station parking lot and turned down another road. The officer followed the vehicle and initiated a traffic stop. The vehicle accelerated and began darting in and out of lanes without using a turn signal. The vehicle then turned and came to a stop. A high-risk stop was conducted and the defendant was taken into custody. A security sweep of the vehicle was conducted and the officer observed 2 baggies of a green leafy substance in plain view on the driver's side seat, known from training and experience to be marijuana. And the defendant was transported back to the accident scene, where the accident investigator confirmed the defendant's vehicle was the same vehicle that disregarded the marked patrol vehicles and disregarded the safety of the people on the scene. Other officers who witnessed the defendant's vehicle confirmed this. Deputy Chicoya advised that the defendant's vehicle almost struck multiple patrol vehicles and approached officers while they had to abruptly move out of the way. And then Deputy Chicoya observed the defendant's vehicle almost strike 2 record drivers who were authorized to be on the scene. The record drivers confirmed this. Witness Cross advised he yelled at the vehicle to stop, and the defendant's vehicle began to accelerate faster. The defendant acknowledged he drove through a closed roadway. His driver's license is ineligible, Your Honor.
Mr. Davis, you are not allowed to drive.
Sorry.
You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I don't care if Jesus comes from heaven and needs a ride to church. If I find that you drive, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand?
So,
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community. If I find that you drive, much less drive maniacally like this, as they allege, it's not going to go well for you. If you want to drive, go get a license, get liability insurance, and then we can talk. But until that point, if you do, it's not going to go well for you. You have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, but it is your responsibility to stay in touch with her. If she tells me that you're playing games, you're not responding to phone calls, text messages, you've gone AWOL, you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
so,
I'm not asking much. All I want my streets to be safe. That's it. I'll have you come up here, swear to us you're not going to drive. I'll get you the Victoria sign a reset, and then you're on your way. Thanks. All right, please.